So let's take a look at menu presentations in Reynolds Ignite. So as the advisor opens up their repair order, of course they're going to put their advisor number and their mileage. And in the top toolbar, you'll see this icon called SSK, Service Sales Kit. And if they click on that icon, it's going to open up the SSK mobile menu, and maintenance menus is right here. So they'll click on maintenance menus and it will open up service price guides automatically. So they'll select the menu package that they want to present, and as you can see here, we have a factory and a dealer recommended package. So we're going to select the dealer recommended package. They'll select the mileage interval that they want to present, answer any qualifying questions so they get the right menu, and then click on select or press F12 to present the menu. Here's the menu. Here's what it looks like. Left-hand side is the maintenance items. Those are all pre-checked, pre-selected. And on the right-hand side are all the a la carte items that can be added on. So the advisor can work with the customer and add or deselect anything that they want to, and click on accept or F12 after customizing the menu. Once they do that, it's going to pull those operations over into Ignite and add those lines onto the work order. Any of the items that are in the package, in this case the 60,000 mile package, those are all going to be in one single line. Any of the additional a la carte items that were selected from the right hand side will show as their own individual lines on the work order. If the advisors don't want to use Service Sales Kit or don't have it, they can still get this SPG by clicking on Tools in the top bar and selecting Standalone SPG, and it works the same